Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn some synonyms of the word said. SAID, said. We use this word in our day-to-day life a lot, but actually we can replace it with some other words, with some other synonyms. So let's see how we can use said into different situations. As normally we can say stated, spoke, remarked, reported, added. As a question, we can say asked, inquired, requested, begged. As an answer, answered, replied, responded, acknowledged, explained. As happily, we can say rejoiced, laughed, joked, giggled, sang, cheered, smiled, marveled, chimed, beamed. As loudly, shouted, belted, yelled, screamed, exclaimed, boomed, called. As full of worry, we can say quacked, trembled, stammered, stuttered, gulped. As angrily, we can say demanded, hissed, fumed, thundered, snapped, sneered, barked, ranted, grunted, roared, bellowed. As bossily, we can say commanded, ordered, dictated, insisted. As sadly, we can use cried, sobbed, groaned, bawled, whined. As quietly, we can use mumbled, muttered, whispered. As silently, we can use thought, wondered, pondered. So that's all, dears. If we practice the synonyms in our daily life, our English will be much better. So I hope you guys will all practice it frequently. Goodbye.